Everyone, welcome to our complete Java playlist. In this video, we are going to install JDK and Eclipse along with that MySQL. First, we are going through installation process of Java. For that, open Chrome or any browser, search for JDK download. Here, click on the first link, scroll down. I am using Windows, so that I am clicking here Windows. Here, install by clicking on the second link. Yeah, it started downloading. It will take some time. Just now download completed. You have to click on this. Then click on yes. Click on next. It is the location where the JDK will install in our system. If you want to change, you can change it. I am leaving as it is. Click on next. Here click on close. Yeah, now the installation of JDK completed. Now we have to add this in our environment variables. Click on Windows. Search for an env. Go for environment variables. In system variables, click on new. Variable name should be Java_home. And value should be path of the JDK in our system. For that, open C drive. Go for program files. That go for Java. Go for JDK. Here copy this entire path. Again come back to this env. Paste it. Click on OK. And once again click on OK. Now we have to add this as a path. For that, again click on an environment variables. Here in the path, right click. Here select new. Now we have to add a new path. Percentage Java_home/bin. Click on OK. Once again click on OK. Now the JDK is completely installed in our system. For verifying that, open CMD. Search for Java _version. Press enter. See here, now we are able to see that Java is installed in our system. Here everyone will get one doubt. The doubt is that why is it necessary to create a path or to set up an environment variable. Here I will explain it with clear example. Suppose we have to run any Java application in our Windows. Actually our Windows do not know where the Java is exactly in our system. For that, we are creating one path to that window so that it can locate the Java in our system. Suppose it is our home. Here, at the time of adding and creating new environment variables, we named Java underscore home as a variable name, and we copied the path where it installed in our drive as a value, because here Java underscore home is act as an variable, I mean like a box or simply like a paper where it stored the location of the JDK in our system, right? And again, next we created one new path, and in this we added JD Java underscore home as a path, because if we type Java double hyphen version in CMD, the system will check directly into the path and it goes into the Java home. From Java home, where we saved the exact location of our JDK installed in the system, from it will fetch the JDK, I mean Java, and we will get the exact version of our Java which is installed in our system. I think as you clearly done with this. Now I am going to start the installation process of Eclipse. For that, open Chrome, search for Eclipse download, click on the first link, again click on the download. Here my laptop is Windows, so I am using Windows. Again click on the download button. Now we can able to see that the Eclipse is started downloading. It will take some time. See, just now download completed. We have to click on this. The Eclipse installer is launching now. We have to wait. Yeah, here we are developing an enterprise application, so that you have to select the second one. Yeah, here we have to select the path where we install the JDK in our system and click on install. It is installing. Here the installation folder is the place where we are going to install the Eclipse now. In my system I am installing in the D drive. Is it your wish? By default it will show in C drive or any drive. You can leave it, or else you can change with respect to your location or with respect to your interest. Just now installation completed. We have to click on the launch. Here it is a default workspace it is showing, or else you can change the workspace. Now I created a new workspace in D drive, so that I am selecting that. Make sure that don't tick it, because if you want to switch between the workspaces, it is very useful, and click on the launch. Now the Eclipse is launched successfully. Now I will write one demo program to verify whether the Eclipse is installed perfectly or not. Click on new, Java project. Project name I am stating a demo. Next. Yeah. Click on finish. Now I am creating a new package here. First dot program. Finish. In this I am creating one class. Let us name class name should be main. I am generating this one. Click on finish. Here simply I will write one print statement. You can check here. Our program is successfully running. Means Java's installation is successfully done. Now I will go with the installation process of MySQL. Open Chrome. Search for MySQL download or install. Click on the first link. Go with the second one. Click on no thanks. Just start my download. Yeah, MySQL is started downloading. Have to wait. We have to click on this. Click on yes. We are installing manually, so click on custom. Go with next. We have to add them by clicking the right arrow. First I am adding MySQL Server. Then press the right arrow. Next go to applications. MySQL Workbench. Again press the right arrow. And next MySQL Cell. By clicking the right arrow. Now click on next. Click on execute. Now it is executing. I have to wait for some time. Yeah, now click on the next. Click on next. Again next. Next. We have to set one password and we have to remember that password. Again go with the next. Again next. Next. Click on execute. Finally click on finish. Again next. Again finish. Now MySQL Workbench is successfully installed. For verification purpose, we have to open MySQL. Open. Yeah, I am going with the MySQL command line interface. Click on open. It is asking us to enter password. I'm entering password. Just now we created, we have to enter that password. We are inside the MySQL now. Let us demonstrate one demo. I am creating one database. Yeah, now it is successfully created. In this video, we completed totally 3 steps. The first step is installation of Java, another step is installation of Eclipse, and the third step is installation of MySQL. The next video I will start with the basic OOPS concepts, where we will cover several OOPS concepts with the daily life examples. Thank you for watching this.